Hello guys, welcome to GATE and ESC classes. Today we will study about Laplace transformation GATE questions with solved part 1. And please don't forget to subscribe my video and don't forget to like and share with your friends. First question is on the screen here. This question is asked in the civil engineering for GATE 2003 for 2 marks question. If L defines the Laplace transform of a function L, sin at will be equal to, first I will tell here the all the values here, a upon s square. This is the standard form here. Standard form is asked in the Laplace of sin at here. First I will tell you a upon s square minus a square will be is equal to Laplace of sin h at here. Okay, and the b1 is a upon s square plus a square is equal to Laplace of sin at bracket close bracket c is s square upon s square plus a square is equal to Laplace of cos at. Here option D is s upon s square minus a square is equal to Laplace of cos h at. So option B will be our right answer here. Option B is the matching here for Laplace sin at. Okay, moving for next question here. This also is the standard form of question is asked in the civil engineering for GATE 2009 for 2 marks question here. Okay, Laplace transform of for the function fx is equal to cos hx hax is what? It is also a standard result here. Okay, I will tell here the Laplace of cos h at is equal to s upon s square minus a square. Okay, option B will be our right answer for question number 2 here. Moving for next question here. The Laplace of a transform of the function sin omega t is. This question is asked in the mechanical engineering for GATE 2003 for 2 marks question here. So first I will tell here the Laplace of sin omega t is equal to omega upon s square plus omega square. Okay, so option B will be our right answer for question number 3 here. Moving for next question here. This question also is asked in the mechanical engineering for GATE 2013 for 2 marks. The function ft satisfies the differential equation d square f dt square plus f is equal to 0, and the auxiliary condition f0 is equal to 0, that df upon dt f0 is equal to, for the Laplace transform of f of t is given by. Okay, first I will write here the Laplace of d square f upon dt square here plus f of is equal to 0 here, and the Laplace of f is equal to f yes is equal to, after that differentiation Laplace of differentiation of double is equal to a square f upon s minus sf 0 minus f of s is equal to a square f s minus 4. Okay, so after that, simplifying this, a square f s minus 4 plus fs is equal to 0 here. A square plus 1 a square plus 1 f of s is equal to 4 here. Equal to 4 here. After that, I will write here the f of s is equal to 4 upon s square plus 1. After that, I will write here in the form of Laplace here. Laplace f is equal to 4 upon s square plus 1 here. So option C will be our right answer for question number 4th here, guys. This question is very simple. This one also is the standard form here. Okay, guys. The question number 5th. If f of t is a function defined for all t's greater than or equal to 0, its Laplace transform fs is defined as. Okay, this question also is asked in the mechanical engineering for 2016 for 1 mark and the set 1 question. Okay, this is also the standard form here. Okay, I will tell here the Laplace f of t is equal to integral of infinity 0 e की power st f of t dt. This will be our right answer here. Okay, this one also is the standard form result here. Okay, guys, please memorize it so that you can easily score well in the GATE examination. So option number D will be our right answer. No, option number B will be our right answer here. Moving for question number 6 here. The Laplace transform of cos omega t. This also is the very simple question here, guys. This is also the by knowing the Laplace of cos omega t, you can easily write here s upon s square plus omega square. So option A will be our right answer for this question here. This question is asked for the 1 mark question here. The solution of Laplace equation having continuous and second order partial derivatives are called. Option A by harmonic function, option B harmonic function conjugate or harmonic functions, error functions. Mechanical engineering 2016 for 1 mark question. This question is asked in set 3. Okay, second order partial derivative. Okay, by knowing here, I write here the derivative form here. Phi is equal to 0 here. Del square phi upon del x square plus del square pi upon del y square is equal to 0 here, and phi harmonic function here. So option B will be our right answer for question number 7. This one is seventh number question here. And thank you so much students. If you like my video, please subscribe and share with your friends. I will meet you on another lecture of video lecture series.